Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to store lion's mane mushroom. To begin, fresh lion's mane mushrooms are quite delicate and should ideally be used within about 7 days of being harvested. Proper storage is key to maintaining their unique texture and beneficial properties. It's important not to wash them until you are ready to prepare them for cooking, as excess moisture can significantly shorten their shelf life. For short-term storage, the best approach is to place your fresh lion's mane mushrooms in a simple paper bag. This allows for crucial air circulation, which helps prevent the accumulation of moisture that can lead to spoilage. Then, simply place the bag in your refrigerator. Using this method, your fresh mushrooms should remain in excellent condition for approximately 5 to 7 days. If you're looking to store lion's mane for a longer period, freezing is an excellent option. First, it's best to cook or sauté the mushrooms before freezing. This helps preserve their texture. After cooking, spread the pieces on a baking sheet and flash freeze them individually. Once solid, transfer them to an airtight freezer bag. Properly frozen, they can maintain their quality for up to 6 months. Another fantastic long-term storage method is drying. You can use a dehydrator or a low oven to dry the lion's mane until it's completely brittle. Once dried, store the pieces in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. For even longer preservation, you can grind the dried mushrooms into a fine powder. This powder can be stored for well over 1 year, offering great versatility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.